Hello, I'm Joshua Habursky. I'm the Assistant Vice President of Advocacy here at the Independent Community Bankers of America. We're back for our advocacy update with
Amy Roberti, Vice President of Congressional Relations.
We're very excited to have Amy. Amy, I think you and I started around the same time as one another, and you've been working on a lot of important issues on the Congressional Relations team. Tell us a little bit about those issues.
Sure. So I've been working on flood insurance. The National Flood Insurance Program is up for reauthorization at the end of May. The House Financial Services Committee released 4 draft bills that would address various aspects of reforming and extending the program. So we're giving input to the committee on that. I'm glad that they've begun the process of looking at reauthorizing the program before it expires. So we're hoping not to have any lapses this go around and get a good long-term reauthorization. Another issue in my portfolio is GSE Reform, which is a very relevant topic this week. Chairman Crapo of the Senate Banking Committee released an outline of what he envisions for housing finance reform. And today and tomorrow, the committee is holding hearings with various witnesses to discuss the outline and prospects for housing finance reform. So that one is a big issue and very important for ICBA members. And then the final topic is data privacy and data security. Chairman Crapo and the Senate Banking Committee requested input on proposals for data privacy measures that Congress or regulators could act on, and ICBA submitted comments on the 15th, and so we're looking forward to engaging with Senate Banking on that issue as well.
And Amy, you come to ICBA with a strong insurance background. How has that helped you in your career here?
Yeah, before coming to ICBA, I worked in the insurance industry for about 12 years. I was with Liberty Mutual for 10 years and then an association that represents large insurance brokers. So I had a strong grasp of insurance issues and then came to ICBA to learn a new field, and I'm learning something every day. It's been almost 2 years and there's plenty to learn and to grasp onto. So it's been helpful with flood insurance and just kind of a general knowledge of financial services and that landscape on Capitol Hill.
And you do a ton of different meetings, several meetings every day, some of our toughest meetings that we have on the Hill. What advice do you have for advocates that are getting ready to come to Capitol Summit or might be meeting with members of Congress in their home states?
Just share your story and talk about what you know and what you're doing in your communities. Members of Congress, come to us for expertise, but we get that from the bankers and from our members. And members of Congress want to hear directly from you. They want to hear about how you're engaging with your customers, how you're reinvesting in your communities, how you're really helping the individuals and the businesses in your communities thrive. And so those stories are so useful to what we do on the Hill, but to hear it directly from you is invaluable. So just looking forward to having everyone in Washington and hearing you share your stories on the Hill. It's going to be great.
It truly is a 1-2 punch when you get grassroots advocacy with direct lobbying. I think that's what makes ICBA so successful, is that we have strong presence in both of those areas and working in government relations to get the job done. Again, Capitol Summit, April 28th through May 1st. We hope that you sign up and register. You can do that on our website, www.icba.org. We also have many training resources on our Be Heard section, so you can go there and get all the prep materials for Capitol Summit, how to meet with members of Congress, and different one-pagers on the issues that we are working on currently. Another thing on the website that I would encourage everyone to take a look at, we released an action alert targeting the different banking agencies as well as the Hill on the community banking leverage ratio. So that's on our website. Please take 30 seconds, weigh in, send a letter to the agencies and members of Congress. That will really help us and the work that we're doing here every day in our lobbying efforts. Amy, thank you so much for joining us for this advocacy update. There'll be more later this year. Thank you for tuning in.